Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim and today I'm going to show you a quick, easy, basic, healthier version of a Valentine's treat. So if you're on a low Fodmap diet or a vegan diet or just want something a little healthier for Valentine's Day, this recipe is for you. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. I'm going to show you how to make a 1 bowl, low FODMAP, vegan, gluten-free, almond butter, chocolate chunk, oatmeal cookies with raisins. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. 1/2 cup organic coconut oil, 1 cup organic cane sugar, 1 large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 1/2 cup almond butter. I'm using the Trader Joe's brand. 1 cup old-fashioned gluten-free oats. I'm using the Trader Joe's brand. 1/2 cup gluten-free coconut flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 4 ounces gluten-free vegan dark chocolate chips. I'm using this brand that has 63% cacao. And 1/2 cup lightly packed raisins. You simply need a bowl, a spoon or whisk, parchment paper, and a baking pan. And last but not least, if you want to make them into heart shapes, a cookie cutter heart. Preparation. Step 1. Position racks in upper and lower third of oven. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Line 2 half-sheet pans with parchment paper. Set aside. Step 2. Place the coconut oil in a large bowl. Whisk in the sugar, then whisk in the egg, the almond extract, then whisk in the almond butter until all combined. Stir in the oats, flour, baking soda, xanthan gum, and salt until almost combined. Add chocolate and raisins and finish mixing until everything is evenly mixed. Step 3. Drop cookie dough by generously rounded tablespoons 2 inches apart on cookie sheets. If you want to make them heart-shaped cookies, use a cookie cutter. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, perhaps rotating pans halfway through or until edges and tops have just begun to turn light golden brown. The cookies should be a bit soft in the center. Place pans on racks to cool cookies completely. Store cookies at room temperature in airtight container for up to 5 days. Enjoy! And voila, our Valentine's Day cookies. So as you can see, the hearts didn't come out perfectly, but that's okay because as we know, there's no such thing as perfect love. Love is always a little imperfect. So if there's someone in your life that you want to say I love you to this Valentine's Day, maybe make 3 heart-shaped cookies for I love you, and the rest are circles. So I'm going to try one. I think it's really tasty. It's sweet without being so sweet that it feels unhealthy. So all the ingredients we used have a lot of health benefits. Everything is listed below. Oatmeal and raisins and cacao have vitamins, minerals, fiber, and all kinds of health benefits. So if you're curious to learn more about the health benefits of these cookies, just look in the description below. I would love to hear how your experience goes with these cookies. If you share them with a loved one, please let me know how it goes. I would love to hear from you. Happy baking and have a happy Valentine's Day. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.